Good day, parents. I just thought I'd make a how-to video just to help some parents who have been asking how to go about assisting their scholar with homework. So the homework can be found in the weekly newsletter, and there's usually a spelling words list. So this video is just going to help with how to help your scholar to spell words. So I'm just going to jump right in. So let's pretend that these three words, go, make, and chip, are our spelling words for the week. Okay, so how do they practice this? So if you can see, I put this page and I've written my list of words here, and then I've made 4 columns. So these columns should be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Friday, they're going to write the spelling test in class. So every day, they're going to do this. Here's the word go. They're going to say go. Okay, and they're going to say, okay, those are the letters that make the word go. Now they're going to take anything that they have around them. I'm going to use this to cover the word. And then I'm going to remember how I spelled it. It was a G and a O. Let me check my work. It's correct. So I'm going to do a tick over there. So then for the harder words, like make, they're going to say k, e. Okay, how do we make that easier for the scholar? Make. All right. Make is a magic E word. Now, your scholars already know what a magic E word is. So what they're going to do basically is break up the word. Make. Okay, and they've got to remember the magic E. So a lot of it has to be practice. And the only way your scholar is going to do it is if they practice every single day with their spelling words. And that's going to make them better writers one day. So with make, you're going to say, you can break it up. You can even clap the word make. So then you take whatever you're using to cover it, and you can try. It's all right to get things wrong. So let's pretend that Miss Harrishun got this one wrong. Make. That doesn't look quite right. Let me check. I missed something. So I'm just going to put a little dot there, and then I'm going to track my progress. So let's try the last word, chip. So let's break it up. Chip. I can remember that. So let's go ip, and that should make chip. Let's check. Aha, it is correct. Yes, awesome. So now it is Tuesday, so let's write Monday here. And here let's write Tuesday. So I can see where I went wrong and where I went right yesterday. Now it's Tuesday and I'm going to try again. So let's go with go. Let's cover my work. Let's see if I can remember. Okay, I can't remember, but all right, I'm going to sound it out. Go. Go. Let's see if I got it right. Aha, I did. So this is basically how you're going to do it every day with your scholar. And then the harder word, make. Yesterday I got it wrong, so I need to be more careful. All right, make. It has an eh at the end. Okay, let's give it a go. Remember that kicking k and the eh. Did I have it right? Let me take a look. Aha! I got it right. Excellent. Let's try the chip again. Chip. Let's see if I can remember it. Let me segment it. I know a ch, ip, and that should make chip. Yes, I did. Woohoo! So every day, your scholar is going to practice their spelling words like this. And by the end of it, they mustn't get disheartened if they get something wrong, because they've got Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to keep practicing and to make progress. So I hope that helps with your spelling practice. And just remember, if you can't remember all the letters of the word, just sound it out, just like how we segmented in class. So you can even clap your words, like chip, and then you go cha, ip, chip. So I hope that helps, and I shall make more videos in the future. Keep a lookout for them. Thank you. Take care.